Here we go.
Southern California, where residents are fleeing a fast-moving wildfire in the hills of Los Angeles. Fire crews are trying to contain the Palisades fire, which has exploded in size to more than 700 acres. Smoke from the blaze can be seen for miles, with traffic jammed up as locals try to flee the area. The National Weather Service is warning of life-threatening, destructive gusts of wind in the coming days that could whip up such wildfires even further. Forecasters say the windstorms could be the worst in a decade. In the meantime, a so-called polar vortex is bringing below-freezing temperatures as far south as the Gulf Coast. The frigid air comes as millions in central and eastern parts of the country dig out from a winter storm that snarled roads and toppled trees. Washington, D.C.'s most significant snowstorm in 6 years shut down the federal government for a second straight day. And more than 175,000 people are still without power across the Midwest and Tennessee Valley. Forecasters say they may not see.
A massive earthquake shakes the Himalayan regions. Over 50 lives lost, tremors rattling Nepal and northern India. What exactly happened? Let's dive into the details. Early Tuesday morning, a 7.1 magnitude earthquake struck western China's Tibet region. According to the US Geological Survey, the quake occurred at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers. China, however, measured it slightly lower at 6.8 magnitude. The epicenter lay 380 kilometers from Tibet's capital Lhasa, near the remote county of Tingri, a region often referred to as the gateway to Everest. Tragically, at least 53 people have been confirmed dead, with 62 others injured, according to reports. The shockwaves forced panicked residents in Nepal's capital, Kathmandu, to flee their homes. Parts of northern India, too, felt the tremors. Surveillance footage captured the terrifying moment the quake struck Lhasa County, located in Shigatse city, the traditional home of the Panchen